Architects and general contractors, elevate your designs with confidence and speed up your bids and submittals. Whether you're specifying standing seam for a modern commercial build or our sleek board and batten panels for a beautiful rustic design, the Spec Builder tool at westernstatesmetalroofing.com saves you time, reduces errors, and helps get approvals faster. The Spec Builder is a fast, free online resource built specifically for pros like you. Our guided step-by-step questionnaire lets you select a roof or wall application, choose the exact profile that fits your design, pick from over 100 colors and finishes, specify the gauge you need, then instantly generate and download the complete package of product specifications, CAD details, load and uplift charts, performance data, and everything else required for your construction submittal. No more digging through catalogs, no more mismatched documents, no more back and forth emails, just accurate, project-specific specs tailored to Western States Metal Roofing's high-performance metal roofing and siding systems. Head to westernstatesmetalroofing.com right now and start building your next spec package today.